Hey people! Before we start this video, I'd like to announce I got new social media platforms, and I changed my OC. I've got a couple new social medias, so I'll put them all in the description. I might also explain what each of them are for in a separate video if you are interested. Alright, let me shut up and get to the point. Insomnia is a sleeping disorder. It's the inability to sleep for long periods of time. According to Medicine.net, there are different types of insomnia. First, transient insomnia can last up to 1 week. Second, short-term insomnia may last longer than 1 week but will end in less than 3 weeks. Finally, chronic insomnia lasts longer than 3 weeks. Insomnia may be caused by depression, trauma, anxiety, etc. It also interrupts your sleeping schedule and makes you feel tired often, according to Mayo Clinic. Almost everyone has been affected at least once, but only 10% of humans have been through chronic insomnia. Unfortunately, people of all ages and genders can be affected. First things first, ask them why they're having this problem. Make sure they're answering honestly, because I know some people tend to hide their feelings. If they really don't know, then I advise you to call an expert who can support them. I also advise you to show them that you care too by asking if they're okay and if they're making it through. Here's a list to help you. Woo! I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it helped. See you in the next one.